video. So today is 21 and it's our first day of our final. So good luck to me. It's currently something 8, ay hindi pa, 7:20 mga dyan, and our exam will be at 8 AM. So I need to rush. I just did some intro and shit. Ito yung mag-exam ng 3 subs na walang study guide na isang subject. That's me. Kasi nag-coffee ako para mag-phone lang siya kung magdamag. Wala pa tong tulog wala rin study. Ang angas. Hi Ken! This is interview. Interview ganing, hindi mo pati sa ako. Gafilm na ko sa mga memories sa mga video. Dugay naman ko sa agad video. Ay ka pa na bago? Kamusta first?
Ay mama ko. Ilang. Ikaw ako magawas. And it's 7:32 AM and my exam is at 9:15. So I have an hour to prepare. I need to do some things for my biostatistics, which is our paper for the results and discussion. So I have to do it muna, then get ready, and then go to school na. Yan. So guys, I'm ready. So I'm just gonna put on my shoes and we're good to go. So guys, update. Anong oras na? Hindi ko makapag-phone ba? Siguro 8:45 and na-cancel yung biostats namin. So I'm here practicing crochet. Kasi gusto ko lang mag-gansilyo. Kaso, it's so hard for me mag-gansilyo kasi I'm left-handed. So si Jillian, left-handed din siya, and then nanood ako ng tutorial, kaya yun, kagabi nag-gansilyo kami. This is hers, and nagpabili ako kay mama ng gansilyo, tapos umuo agad siya. Yes! It's already 8:23 and I'm starting to study kasi ang dami pala ito. Anyways, medyo nag-blur-blur din yung kasi nakita kasi naka-back cam ako kasi sira yung front cam niya. Well, anyways, I am now memorizing the scientific names of the vegetables sa bahay kubo. Like, Pachyrizus, Erosus, Tetragonolobus. So, I have here my coffee with me na may halong chocolate powder. Hello! Vlog to vlog. Hi guys! So kakauwi ko lang. Ang tapos ng exam complete. Ang gulo. It's currently 8:21 and today is Saturday.
and crochet with me. Kasi ang goal ko is makapag-crochet ako ng scrunchie. Gawa ko ng scrunchie.